Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hi all, let's continue the topic solving linear equations in one variable by taking some more example problems. I would like to take a sixth example problem based on this as solve the equation. Let me write the question. 17 plus 6p equal to 9. So now what is that you having? You have 6p, you have plus 17 equal to 9. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this 17 to the other side. I told you anything what you want to move, you first of all find the additive inverse, and then whatever you're doing it in the left hand side, do it in the right hand side as well. So 17 get cancelled, you get 6p equal to 9 minus 17, which is negative 8. Now I need to remove my 6. So what should I do? 6 means I told you it's nothing but 6 times p. So you multiply by its multiplicative inverse. Whatever you do it in the left hand side, you do it in the right hand side as well. Cross this 6 and 6, left out with p, and this part if you are going to simplify it, you get 4 and you get 3. Therefore the answer is minus 4 by 3. You can either leave the answer minus 4 by 3 as such, or sometimes you may be in a situation to convert this into a mixed number. So you can convert minus 4 by 3 as minus 1 by 3. But sometimes some syllabus they will insist you to bring it in 3 significant figures. So in that case you can write this as negative 1.33. So anyway, according to the requirement or need, you can convert the answers like this. I hope so that you are all clear with all the questions till now, whatever I did from the basic solve the linear equation in one variable topic. Now I am going to extend further questions. From now onwards I am going to teach you one more thing also, apart from solving the linear equations, how to check whether our answer is right or not. So for that I would like to take another example. I am taking example number 7. This time you are going to see that your variables are going to be on both sides like this. Earlier we saw the variable was only on one side. Now this time you can see that x is on both sides, that is on left hand side and on right hand side. So what we are going to do, first let us collect all the x contents in the left hand side and let us keep all the constants, that is the one which is without x, on the right hand side. Come on, let's do the one what it is needed. So as I want the 3x to come to this side, I am just putting minus 3x here and then plus 9. Because why I am putting minus 3x? Because I am going to cancel the 3x from the right hand side. So this becomes 2x plus 9 equal to 5. Now can you see, I have removed the 3x from the right hand side and I brought it to the left hand side and I consolidated. Similarly, what is the next step we are going to do is, I am going to remove this 9 from the left hand side and I am just going to move on to the right hand side. So again I will take the help of additive inverse only. So plus 9, you take minus 9 and you write it as 5 minus 9. Cancel 9 and 9, you get 2x equal to negative 4. Hope you are all clear up to this. Now the next step what we are going to do is, you can see that I want x but I have 2x. So I need to remove 2, and of course it is in multiplication. So I am supposed to multiply this with the multiplicative inverse, which is 2 times 1 by 2 times x equal to minus 4 times 1 by 2. Whatever you do it in the left hand side, do it in the right hand side as well. 2 and 2 get cancelled, therefore x is equal to minus 4 times 1 by 2. The answer is x is equal to minus 2. This is so called solution. Okay, I told you in the beginning itself that this time I am going to teach you how to do checking as well. So what we do is, let us take this value x is equal to minus 2 and you put it in this equation. So what happens is, 5 times minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3 times minus 2. I should be able to prove that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. Let's see. 5 times minus 2 plus 9, which is nothing but minus 1. 5 plus 3 times minus 2, which is again nothing but minus 1. As you can see that left hand side and the right hand side are equal, you can come to the conclusion that x is equal to minus 2 is the solution of this. So this is the way of checking your result, whether your answer is correct or not. So now let me do one more time the checking part for one more question, and then after that in future any kind of question comes, you please check by using this method and see whether you are getting the answer correctly and make it sure. Now let me take another example from this concept. Now I am going to call it as solve and check, because I am going to take another example problem based on this solving the linear equation and checking the result. So let me take this as example number 8. 8x plus 4 equals 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. So first what I am going to do is I am going to simplify this equation and then I am going to do the needful. So left hand side nothing to simplify, just keep it as such, but the right hand side, can you see, you open the bracket. How you are going to open the bracket? You are going to multiply each and every content inside the bracket by 3. 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 7. This is the content what I get when I open the bracket. Then the next part is 8x plus 4 equal to 3 times x is going to be 3x minus 3 times 1 is going to be minus 3 plus 7. Now this is 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7 is going to be plus 4. I got this. Now having brought to this step, now you start applying the additive inverse. I want to collect all the x contents on the left hand side and I want to keep all the constants on the other side. So what am I going to do is I am just going to bring this one to this side. For that I am going to take the help of additive inverse technique. So you subtract minus 3x on both sides. By that what you are doing it, you are going to cancel this and you get this as 5x plus 4 equal to 4. Now the next one, I want to move this 4 to the other side. So again I am going to apply the additive inverse concept. I am going to subtract 4 from here. Whatever you do it in the left hand side, do it in the right hand side as well. This becomes 0, this becomes cancel. You get 5x equal to 0. Then finally whatever the number you have, that you divide both sides by 5, or else multiplied by 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 5, which is 5 and 5 get cancelled. X equal to anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So this is your solution. Okay. How to confirm that this is your solution? As I taught you in the earlier one, I am going to show you how to do the checking of the result. Take the value what you got and then substitute in the beginning of the equation. 8 times 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 times 0 minus 1 plus 7. You can see that wherever I have x, there and all I substituted the value 0 which I got. Now you know this means 8 times 0, anything multiplied by 0 becomes 0, and this part is 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So 3 times negative 1 is minus 3 plus 7. So this is going to be 4 and minus 3 plus 7 is going to be 4. You got your left hand side equal to right hand side, and that means you are able to prove that left hand side and right hand side are equal. From this, what is the conclusion you are coming? X is equal to 0 is the solution of the given equation. Do you understand how to simplify? So what is that we did from here to here? First of all, from here to here what we did was simplification. We did simplification of the given equation. Then after doing simplification, I did the solving part and I got the answer by applying the additive inverse and by applying the multiplicative inverse. And then finally we are doing the checking of the result, and then we substitute the value what we got in the given equation, and then if we are able to prove the left hand side and right hand side are equal, we are coming to the conclusion that x equal to 0, which I got, is the correct solution for this equation. So by knowing how to do the checking part, okay, it builds up your confidence, because you don't have to depend on your answers, or you don't have to go and review the answers at the back, or you don't have to wait for someone to come and tell you that what you did is correct or not. You yourself can build up the confidence. This is possible in some cases. Wherever it is possible, there and all I'll be helping you to do like this.